Hi.
Hi. Good morning. Welcome to Advanced Modifications. I'm Gina.
I'm Toby. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What can I help you with?
Well, I just bought a new car, but I don't know what to do. I either want brand new controls or transfer my old ones to the new car.
Okay, definitely we can help you with that. Why don't we look to see what you have in your old vehicle now?
Yeah, that sounds good.
So can you show me what your issues are with your current hand controls?
Well, with these hand controls, a lot of the issue I have, especially when I go on long drives, I get really tired with holding it down. It's constantly hitting my knees. My wife tries to get in, she's constantly hitting it, and it's just something I need to change if at all possible.
We definitely have some new technology that's out. Do you have any issues with reaching secondary controls?
All the time, especially with, like I say, the lengthy drive. I can't get there fast enough, and it just makes it almost impossible.
Okay, let's go inside and I'll show you the new technology that we have. These are the Featherlite Hand Controls. They're by SureGrip. They are a new electronic system.
Mm-hmm.
They plug right into the electronic system of the vehicle. Therefore, it gives you plenty of legroom because you do not have a gas rod.
Okay.
The way the hand controls work is that it has a short stroke versus a long stroke, which is in your current vehicle.
Right.
So therefore, you've only got the pivot point on the left-hand side versus a whole mechanical piece moving off the right-hand side,
Oh, wow.
therefore giving you extra legroom.
Right. Okay, I can already see that, so that's pretty neat.
You mentioned that you had an issue with fatigue.
I do, yes.
The way these work is that where they're electronic, they actually send an electronic signal directly to the vehicle, and then we can actually adjust the pressure that you need to function the hand control.
Oh, okay. That's pretty neat. So, based on my preference, I can adjust this, and there's no mechanical, so less resistance. That's perfect.
Exactly, and a lot more legroom. Another great benefit of these hand controls is that it's a one-source acceleration.
Okay.
Now, what that means is that if you're driving, the hand controls are activated, the OEM pedal is inactive, so it's dead. If your wife is driving, then the hand controls do not operate, those are dead.
Okay, so how do you change it from one to the other?
There's actually an LED button that's installed wherever you'd like on the dash. You hit it 3 times within 5 seconds and it will activate, it will swap to whichever one that you want.
Wow, that'd be wonderful because I'm always worried about somebody trying my hand controls, especially like if I take my car to get it serviced or something. I'm always worried they're going to try to use it and go through their shop or something.
You're right. These are actually the safest hand controls on the market.
So I can imagine these are more expensive than mechanical hand controls.
Actually, they're very comparable to what you have in your vehicle now, plus you don't need a pedal guard.
Wow, that's amazing. I thought these would definitely be more expensive.
You mentioned that you had a difficult time reaching secondary controls.
Right.
I think you'll find with the SureGrip Featherlite hand controls, because of the short stroke, you'll have easier access to the blinker and so forth.
Okay.
If not, they also have a remote, a wireless remote RF360 that is available, and then also a Sure switch that's easily mounted to your hand controls.
Ah, okay, cool.
I have a vehicle outside with SureGrip Featherlite push rock hand controls in it. Would you like to see it? It's not the type that you'll be using, but would you like to see it?
Yeah, that'd be great to see.
All right, let's go.
All right.
So these are the SureGrip Featherlite hand controls, so the push rock. The way these function, you push down. Notice how the whole mechanism does not come down, so you've got tons of legroom.
Right.
Also, this is a little button that activates the system. You hit it 3 times within a 5-second period and it activates the system.
Perfect. Man, I can't wait to get into these.
Great. Would you like to get started?
Yes.
Awesome.
So quick rundown of your right angle push. Just apply the brake, start the vehicle. So within the first 30 seconds, you'll see the blue light if you hit that. Now it'll actuate the hand control.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's really responsive, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. If the tension's too high, we can dial that in for you. How is it?
No, it seems pretty good. Yep.
Awesome. In this version too, whatever you have it left in when you stop the vehicle,
Okay.
like if you have it in hand control mode, it'll be there when you start the vehicle again. So when you start it up in the morning, you can just take off with the hand control.
Cool.
And when you want to take it out of that mode, you just hit that button 3 times.
Okay.
And then it
Deactivates it.
yeah, exactly.
Cool. Right on. That's awesome, man. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, I can't wait to get her going.
Awesome. Enjoy.
Thanks.